Okay, here's the vision. You ever seen a photo that looks like this? Or a photo that looks like this? Well, today with AI, it's very easy to make something like this. So we're gonna put the effort into trying to do it practically in camera on location. We have a Bronco Raptor, we have a nice quiet road, and we have super dark skies. So let's figure this out. We waited for it to be a little bit brighter outside because you can't see anything when it was as dark as it was. So this is the photo we ended up getting. And to get that, you need a drone, you need a tripod, and you need a camera. We have the DJI Mini Pro 4. This is a phenomenal piece of kit weighing 249 grams, so it keeps it under that drone weight limit and also has the auxiliary light on the bottom of it, which allows you to light your subject. We have an excellent tripod, and we have the Canon R5. The Canon R5 is an absolute workhorse. It is my favorite camera that I've ever bought, and I absolutely love it. So to get this shot, the drone needs to be able to track something on the vehicle. And when it's pitch black like it was, you're gonna need something that you're gonna be able to see. So if you put your flashlight on the roof, something that you can light up the roof of the vehicle with facing away from the camera, the drone will be able to track it, and you will not have to worry about having the drone fly off or lose the subject. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna have to put the camera in a spot where you're gonna be able to see the whole thing. And then you're going to set the camera to a long exposure. What you're gonna wanna have is somewhere between 25 to 30 seconds, gives the drone enough time to orbit around the vehicle and light it. Now, when we originally did this, some troubleshooting things that we came up with, when we originally did this, we strapped a headlamp to the bottom of the drone. It does increase the weight, it does drain the battery power a little bit more, but you get more light. The only issue is that the Mini Pro 4 has so many sensors on the bottom of it that it tend to freak out a little bit and not want to track, or it wants to always land. So you have to turn all the safety features off and it's just a hassle. So there is a setting in the DJI Pro 4 menu that you can put the auxiliary light always on, which lights your unit from the top. Another thing that I found from troubleshooting, from doing this before and doing this right now, is that the longer these lights are on, the longer exposure you have, the more blown out they're gonna be when you take the photo. So if you're able to, since it's such a long exposure, you can run into the shot, you can quickly flash the running lights on and off, and that way it won't be as severe and overexposed when the photo comes out in the final product. And there you have it. One of the biggest things that you don't really realize is that it is actually -10 out here. It is actually relatively chilly. I've been out here for about 3 hours trying to get this shot. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions when it comes to the drones, when it comes to the cameras, when it comes to the process, let me know. If you guys want to see how I edited this photo in post, also let me know, because I'd like to do a video like that as well. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.